Okay, we're here to do an update video. I guess I didn't post the last one. I got it all put together pretty much even on the bottoms, top, sides. Not perfect, but I'm getting there. Got just one of the latches on so I can see how it went. But all even that way. My sissy bar will hide all this, but I'm going to do a little something different. I'm right here. I'm cutting this back of here so my latch cover will go on right there. And down here on the other bracket, I'm cutting it in the middle and bringing it all the way to a deal here that I made so it'll even give it more support. Here's a look with the Cobra long shots with the 4-inch stretch bag so you can see under there. I'll probably end up trying to customize the exhaust. Let's see if we can get you in there where you can see how far back they are. There you go. Head seat and everything already on it. Just make sure everything lined up. I'm just doing final things before I send it off for paint. Like I said, I'm doing a custom bracket to give it even more strength. I pretty much bought the Backyard Air suspension kit, and I took their bracket. What I'm doing is I'm modifying it. I bought another Harley bracket kit, and I cut the front legs off to weld to this, because where you see everybody else that builds their own right here, it looks like shit when they don't buy the right bracket. And I don't give a fuck who you are, what you say, it looks like shit compared to that. It looks like total trash what they're doing down there. I'm doing mine to where it actually looks right. I'm not in a hurry to ride like everybody else. Well, of course you can see I got a ton of bikes, so. And I'm going to put skinnier shocks on here so I can pull the front of that bag in just a hair more. But there's an update for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to comment or like the page. Let me know.